Okay, we are going to format this works cited page using Word Online. The first thing that I want to do is highlight the entire thing, and then I want to make sure that the font is Times New Roman, size 12. Once that's finished, I want to look at the top and make sure my heading is the right way. So I've got my first and last name, I have the date, I have my class name or my period, and then my title is aligned center, and it's works with an S, cited, and the W and C are capital. The next thing I'm going to do is make sure that my citations are in alphabetical order. So right away I go S, T, C, so I know that this one needs to be moved to the top. If I move my cursor so that I can highlight that whole thing, I'm going to do Control X to cut it, click in front of the citation I want it to go in front of, and then Control V. So CSTM, so I need to highlight this one, make sure you get the whole citation, Control X, and then that's going to want to go right here, Control V. Then I am going to, one thing I want to tell you, if you have one that starts with a number, like a digit, you want to put it wherever it's spelled out. So if it was a 5, you would put it like where an F would go. Okay, next I'm going to fix the spacing. I can tell right away that there's some extra spaces here, so I'm just going to use my backspace to get rid of those. Then I want to highlight everything and make sure that it is double spaced. So I will go to these 3 dots for the more options, line spacing, and the 2. After that, it's still highlighted. I go back to the 3 dots and I want special indent hanging. That's going to make sure that any that are 2 lines go indented. Now see how it didn't work with the world books for some reason? I can just click right in front of where the second line is and hit the tab button, and it does the same thing. Tab. So you just want to make sure that any of your citations that are more than 1 line, the lines after the first one are indented. The last thing I want to do is highlight it all. For spacing, the last thing I want to do, oh my goodness, why does it do that? Okay, and go back to the dots and find down here, remove space after paragraph. Okay. After that, I'm just going to make sure my hyperlinks aren't the blue. To do that, I'm going to highlight the hyperlink. Actually, you know what? You can just highlight the whole thing. And then take away the underline and make sure everything is in black, and then you can't even tell that they were a hyperlink. Okay, it looks great, and I'm ready to then close it out and submit my assignment.